Alright, let's be honest. We all have seen those jaw-dropping skiing and snowboarding stunts on TV and always wanted to try at least once in a lifetime, isn't it? So, the plan was 1.5 hour drive, exploring some cool spots along the way. As we neared the base, the excitement built up. The snow-covered roads were breathtaking. But finding a parking spot was a nightmare. We were inches away from a collision at a point. Parking ko चाहिँ tension रहेछ. Oh! And I had to stop recording to check if things were all good. A sweet relief, we finally found a parking spot and made our ways to registration. Apparently, gravity had other plans for me. Now, putting on regular shoes is easy peasy, right?
Nice.
Not these ski boots. It felt like I was wrestling an iron suit. And walking with them? Forget it. I looked like a robot taking its first step. हिँड्नु चाहिँ अप्ठ्यारो छ है.
No. Yeah, just watch out for people coming down the hill.
मान्छे हेर्नु रे मान्छे लाग्छ है.
Won't be doing much walking in them, but just make sure all the straps are done up. So.
The instructor's lessons were crystal clear, but our expectations after those lessons? Let's just say reality hit us like a ton of bricks. Udah. Udah na.
He's so cute now, don't imagine.
But there is a saying, try until you succeed. You fail if you don't try. It wasn't about how many times I fell or how long I could stay on my feet. It was about the experience, the laughter, and the amazing people I spent the day with. Now, tell me your favorite part of the video in the comment section below and let me know if you would love to try skiing.